In geography revision, our next heading is earthquake and volcanoes. So we will start from earthquake basics. Earthquake, that is equal to sudden shaking due to energy received along faults. Focus, hypocenter, origin inside earth. Epicenter, point directly above focus. Then come earthquake waves. Types: body waves, P waves, primary, fastest travel through solid, liquid, and gases. S waves, secondary, only through solids. Second is surface waves, most move along surface, most destructive. Then comes shadow zone, area where seismic waves are not recorded. S waves absent beyond 105 degree. P waves absent above 105 degree, 145 degree. Helps understand earth internal structure. Types of earthquake: tectonic, most common; volcanic, collapse, mining area; explosive, nuclear or chemical; reservoir induced. Then come heading measurement. Richter scale 0 to 10, magnitude, energy. Mercalli scale 1 to 12, intensity, damage. Effect of earthquake: ground shaking, landslide, soil liquidation, structure collapse, fires, floods. Tsunami if under ocean. Then come heading volcanoes, opening through which lava ash gas escape. Magma inside, lava on surface. Types of volcanoes: shield volcanoes, largest gentle slope, basalt lava fluid. Example: Hawaiian volcanoes. Then come composite volcano, explosive layer of lava, ash, caldera, collapse after eruption, highly explosive. Flood basalt, large lava flow. Example: Deccan Trap, India, mid-ocean ridge, found in ocean basin. Then come heading volcanic landform. Intrinsic inside earth, batholithic, large dome-shaped mass; laccolithic, dome with flat base; lapolith, saucer shape; peccolith, wavy structure; silly, horizontal layer; dike, vertical wall like structure.